warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone! How are you today? We hope you are doing well and stay healthy. In this video, we will tell you how to make black sticky rice tapai. But before we start, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Fahrial.
My name is Ricky.
My name is Arif.
My name is Zulfan.
My name is Rizky.
My name is Kinan.
My name is Nabil.
We are group 3 from class 9C. Beforehand, what is black sticky rice tapai, Zulfan? And what are the benefits and what does it contain?
Well, black sticky rice tapai is a traditional Indonesian food made from black sticky rice fermented with yeast or mold. Black sticky rice is used in making tapai because it has antioxidant and fiber content, so it is very good for health. Black sticky rice tapai contains 50.2 grams of water, around 166 kilocalories, 3.8 grams of protein, around 1.0 grams of fat, and around 34.4 grams of carbohydrates. For the benefits, it could be used as a source of energy, supports a healthy nervous system, source of natural probiotics, reduces stress, maintains a healthy digestive system.
Without any further delay, let's start the process.
Okay, next, we will tell you the ingredients and the materials. 500 grams black sticky rice, 1 piece of yeast, and enough water. And it is the tools: plastic tray, steaming pan, spatula, and banana leaf.
Let's do the steps.
First step, to rinse the sticky rice until it is clean. Wash until the washing water is colorless. After washing the sticky rice, let it sit for about 10 to 12 hours. Okay guys, before we start, don't forget to washing your hands.
After 12 hours, drain the water. However, some of the water will still remain inside the sticky rice. With the remaining water, we can get rid of them by cooking it and boiling it in the pan earlier until eventually the water runs out because of evaporation, so we are only left with the sticky rice itself. The next step is to steam the sticky rice using the steamer. As I said before, the deeper the steamer, it will be better since it will reduce the time for the sticky rice to be fully cooked. So basically, we just need to scoop it little by little into the steamer itself. And then we wait until it's fully cooked.
After the sticky rice is done, cooking, take it out of the steamer little by little, just like last time. Now place it onto the tray. Then spread the sticky rice all over the tray to make it cool. It is hugely important that the sticky rice is cool when we spread the yeast over it. If it's too hot, the yeast will automatically die and our sticky rice cake will not be formed, or tapai, in other words, will not be formed.
So to make this process even faster, I would recommend using an electric fan placed right in front of it, so the cooling down process can happen even quicker.
So that the yeast is powdery, we use a pestle to grind it.
One sticky rice is already cool enough to spread the yeast. Prepare them and let us start spreading.
If you are done with the grating process, this is what the sticky rice will look like. It will basically look like some sort of snow has fallen off your sticky rice.
If the yeast is already equally spread, now it's time to scoop it little by little, just like before, into a tightly closed jar, and we are going to keep it there for about 3 days.
If all of the sticky rice is already placed inside the container or jar, I would recommend using a rolling pan to press it down a little bit to give it some shape or just to make it tidy.
Of course, before closing it, I would recommend that you clean up the sides of the jar so that when we are done with this cooking process, we will be able to clean the jar easily. And lastly, to keep things even more compact and closed, you can add tissue, which was already cut in the shape of the container on top of the sticky rice. And finally, it is time to close the container. Now we wait for 3 days and let us see the progress. After about 3 days of waiting, here are the results of our sticky rice or tape. So basically, as you guys can see, it's quite wet and soggy. This is only the 4th day. And now let's take a taste test, shall we? Look at that beautiful red color. It's quite delicious and sweet.
Okay, that's all for the video on making biotechnology products that we made. Thank you all for watching our videos. We hope that this video provided you with benefits and new insights for all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.